Hello, my name's Trudi Grant. I'm Director of Public Health for Somerset. No, sadly, the rules are really clear on visiting family over the weekend. You must stay at home and only go out if you're doing one of four specified things, either for exercise, medical need, essential work, or essential food shopping. By essential food shopping, that doesn't mean if you want a bag of crisps you can nip to the shop. It is only essential food shopping. So if you do go out for one of those reasons, you must stay at least 2 meters from others and wash your hands thoroughly when you get home. What we're trying to do is to limit the number of opportunities the virus has to spread. You may be carrying the virus and not even know it, which is why we need everyone to stay at home and not go and visit family and friends this Easter. It's important to differentiate between households and family. From an infection control point of view, we are interested in households. That is the people who live together, share bathrooms, share kitchen facilities, things like that. This is because they generally have a shared risk of catching the virus, which is why we are saying that you shouldn't visit anybody outside of your household, and that if anyone in a household develops symptoms of the virus, the whole household needs to self-isolate for 14 days. I want to be really clear that we are staying at home for two really important reasons. One is to help protect the NHS. We need to do everything we can to make sure the NHS has every chance of coping with the additional demand that this virus is placing on it. We can do that by slowing the spread of the disease and spreading out the peak of the impact. This gives us time to let the NHS plan and prepare so they can be providing the care for the people who need it when they need it, to make sure the capacity is right. And the second really important reason is to save lives. I can't emphasize this strongly enough. The actions that we all as individuals take now will save lives. If we all behave as if we had the virus, then we will slow the spread and help to save those who are the most vulnerable. But physical distancing is very different to social distancing, and there are lots of other ways of staying in touch with family and friends, using video calls, sending letters. I have a father in Portugal, so I'm really used to staying in touch with him by video anyway. But it's things like that. We need to stay in touch with each other socially, but actually not physically.